Today we are going to see here how to write down complete this table which shows the trigonometric ratios for the specific angles. We know that if the angle is not changing, then the trigonometric ratios for that particular angle will remain same. It is constant. So we are going to find out the values for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In this right angle triangle, this is right angled. Okay, so side opposite to it will be hypotenuse. Now theta opposite side will be this, and for this angle theta, this will be the adjacent side. We know that sine theta is the ratio of the opposite to hypotenuse. Now for sine 0, sine 30, what the particular values should be there. How to write it? First we have to write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one is divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. And each one, it's a square root we should take. So what values we are going to get here? 0 divided by 4, it's a square root, it means 0. Okay, so like this you will get the values. We know that sine and cos theta, they will be interchanged for their complements. Now here we can see for the theta, this is the opposite side. Okay, but for it's a complement, because these are the complement of each other. One angle is already 90 degrees, so this angle theta and this angle will be complement of each other. For the complementary angles, opposite side will become the adjacent. Okay, for this angle, this will be the opposite side. So sine of theta, that will be equal to the cos of its a complement. Okay, we know that 0 and 90, they are the complement of each other. 30 and 60, they are the complement of each other. So how we can write down the value of cos theta? Once we got the value of sine theta, cos of 0, that will be equal to sine of 90. Cos of 30, that will be equal to sine of 60. So these values we have to write down it in a reverse order, and you will get cos theta all the values. Tan theta, we know that tan theta is the ratio of sine divided by cos. So 0 divided by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Okay, that will be 1 by root 3. So this value divided by this, it will be same. That is 1. So this way we are going to get tan of theta. 1 divided by 0. Any number we cannot divide it by 0. So it is not defined. Cosec is the reciprocal of the sine, and hence we can write down the reciprocal of this here, reciprocal of this here, reciprocal of this here. Okay, like that we can write down. Sec is the reciprocal of the cos. So reciprocal of this is here, reciprocal of this, that we have to write down. And cot is what? Cot is the reciprocal of tan, or we can say cot is the ratio of the cosec to sec. Okay, so we can write down it's a reciprocal like this, and we will get the values. So this way we can complete this whole table. No need to memorize it. The same trick can be used on our hand, because these are the 5 values and we are having 5 fingers on our palm. So let us write down in a increasing order of the measurement of angles. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and this will be 90 degree. If we want to find out what is the sine of 0, so how many fingers are below to 0? Nothing. Okay, so 0 divided by 4, and it's a square root. Using this formula you can find out sine of, out of these 5 angles you can find out, that is square root of number of the down fingers divided by 4. For example, if you want to find out sine 45, so how many fingers down to it? That is 2 divided by 4, and it's a square root. So that value will be equal to 1 by root 2. If you want to find out 90, sine 90, how many fingers below it to it? That is 4. 4 divided by 4, and it's a square root. So that way also you can use it.